It is in the Senate where Vice President Sara Duterte will be adjudicated for her alleged high crimes, and she shall either be removed from office or ultimately exonerated by the senators acting as jury of her peers. And a number of senators expressed sobriety and clarity on their roles to pass judgment solely on the evidence presented. Our Luisa Erispe has more.
The Senate is prepared for the potential arrival of the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte. According to Senator Risa Hontiveros, they will not be swayed even after the Vice President's announcement of her intention to run for president in the 2028 elections.
Whether before or after any declaration of anyone, ang isang impeachment complaint mula sa mamamayan at kung ito ay i-transmit ng House, it should not be reduced to anything else, not even election. So, meron siyang halaga in and of itself. At pahahalagahan namin yun at pakaiingatan namin yun dito sa Senado.
The senator added that as a senator judge, she will base her decision solely on pieces of evidence presented.
If and when may i-transmit na impeachment complaint o complaints dito sa Senado, lagi kaming laan na maging senator judges at ako din. So, naghahanda na rin na kung may i-transmit sa amin na magdesisyon at bumoto batay sa mga ebidensyang ipepresenta sa amin.
However, Senator J.V. Ejercito is hoping for a swift resolution to the impeachment proceedings. He maintains there are more pressing national issues that must be addressed rather than noisy politics.
Napo-frustrate na siguro ako out of frustration na hindi ako pabor sa impeachment or lalo na sa mga political squabble dahil napag-iiwanan na tayo ng mga karating bansa natin. No? Both impeachment. No? Imagine our country is now facing 2 impeachments of the top 2 officials. Ano na lang ang ano nito, no, ang implications sa international community.
But should the impeachment complaint be transmitted to the Senate, he will also focus on the evidence.
Hindi yung personality ang tinitingnan, no? Tinitingnan natin dito evidence. When you swear in as an impeachment judge, you have to be fair. Kailangan tignan mo yung ebidensya, tignan mo with sufficient grounds. Then you decide from there.
For now, the Senate has yet to make formal preparations for the trial, including the robes to be worn by senator judges. Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.